we are cover the very important part of speech, that is article. Article, sometime it is included, within adjectives. It is an important part of speech, and spotting the error is firm in this competitive examination. So, uses of particles. Uses of particles. So, people, there are two kind of particles. Two types of articles. You must have heard name. The first one is definite article and second one is indefinite. Definite article and second one is indefinite article. Before starting, actually, before explaining these things, I want to tell you what are the articles. A, N, and the are the articles. A, N, and the are articles. देखिए, दिस इज सिंपल, नॉट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड एट ऑल, बहुत ही आसान है. आ और एन को हम लोग इंडेफिनिट आर्टिकल कहते हैं और दा को डेफिनेट. क्लियर? Now the valid question you people can ask, why we determine and why we ascribed or why we called a and n is indefinite article. भाई a और n को indefinite article क्यों कहते हैं और da को definite article क्यों कहते हैं? It is simple, because we call a and n indefinite article. It's simple because they comes before indefinite nouns, indefinite subject. So how you going to determine the subject in indefinite or definite? देखिए, suppose for example if I say a boy, so here the boy is now, if boy is known to you in advance, then it is definite for you. If you are not aware about boy, then it is indefinite. देखिए, इसमें कुछ कठिन नहीं है. आ और एन को, आ एन एंड दा, दीज आर आर्टिकल्स. आ और एन को इंडेफिनिट आर्टिकल कहते हैं, दा को डेफिनेट कहते हैं. आ जो है वो, आ और एन को इंडेफिनिट इसलिए बोलते हैं बिकॉज दे कम्स बिफोर इंडेफिनिट नाउन्स. ये इंडेफिनिट नाउन के पहले आते हैं. भाई ये नाउन इंडेफिनिट और डेफिनिट क्या है? अगर कोई नाउन आपको ऑलरेडी नोन है, इफ यू आर अवेयर इन एडवांस अबाउट एनी नाउन, किसी पर्सन के बारे में आप जानते हो, तो दैट पर्सन इज डेफिनेट फॉर यू. डेफिनेट है इसलिए आप आ लगा दीजिए. नो, दैट इज नॉट डेफिनेट, दैट इज इनडेफिनेट फॉर यू. इफ यू आर नॉट अवेयर, इफ यू आर नॉट अवेयर देन इट इज इनडेफिनेट, एंड इफ यू आर अवेयर देन इट इज डेफिनेट. अ बॉय वाज गोइंग, so it means you are not aware about boy, है ना? Suppose you are going through a street and you are saying, you are referring towards a boy and saying to your friend, a boy was going, a boy is going, then here boy is not definite for you. If boy is definite, then you are not supposed to use these articles. I will tell you where we use a and where we use n. This is definite article and this is a and n is an indefinite article. For example, if you say a boy, है ना, a man, a pen, so these are the indefinite articles. Spotting the error is firm on it, and da is a definite article. Da is used when you are aware in advance about any particular noun. है ना? This is the house in which I live. For example, if you are say, this is the house in which I live. So here you use article, definite article the. Here house is noun and it is known to you. You are aware in advance about house.